Okay, now let's talk about equations for supplementary angles. Supplementary angles equal how much? 180 degrees, okay? Which means they add up together. They add up together to 180 degrees. So what are some types of supplementary angles? Well, we know that if we have a linear pair, okay, if they're adjacent angles and they're on a straight line, something like that, that means that they would be 180 degrees. We also know that, or should know, that same side interior angles add up to 180 degrees, and same side exterior. And that's really about it as far as what we deal with this year. Okay? So let's look at this first example. We're just working on writing the equation. It's kind of funny. Maybe we need to turn it right this way. So do you see here that I have a straight angle, okay, and that's going to add up to half circle, right? Half circles are 180 degrees. So, types of angles. We could call this, let's see, a linear pair. They are adjacent, okay? And all we have to do is take the the expressions and add them up and set it equal to 180. There's not a lot of room here, so I'm going to write it right here. 4 plus 5x, that's the first one, plus x plus 2 equals 180. Okay? I've just added the two angles and put them equal to 180. That's it. That's how we write the equation. Okay? Let's look at the next one. So in this parallel line picture, I actually have three angles labeled. So let's first look at these two. This one and this one. Okay? What kind of angles are those? They're on the same side, and are they interior or exterior? Okay, I hope you realize that they are exterior. Same side, exterior. Okay? And so to write the equation, all we have to do is take the two equations and add them together. So that probably shouldn't have a y right there. I'm going to take that y out. 4x minus 8 plus 11x plus 2 equals 180, because we know they're supplementary and they add up to 180. Okay, now let's look at these two angles. Okay, these two angles, if we look at it in this way, we notice that they are supplementary because they are on a straight angle. They are an example of a linear pair. Okay, and so how do we write the equation? We're going to add them together. 3x plus 10 plus 11x plus 2 equals 180. And that's it. That's how we would write the equation. Now there is a relationship between these two angles. These are alternate exterior. So we could have written that equation where they're congruent to each other, which we have already talked about. So this would be another option for solving for those angles.